Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset neon ray. It can be a normal neon ray or neon ray pro. If you forgot your password or pattern, it will be forced to hard reset or to factory reset your phone. And all you need to do, if your phone is on, you need to switch it off. Right, so just switch it off. Just go ahead and switch it off. Right, so when the phone is off, what you need to do is disconnect it to your battery first for a few seconds. So the next thing you need to do is to disconnect your battery for a few seconds, right, just like that. Then return your battery. Next, press volume up. Press volume up plus power button, right, at the same time. Then once your phone turns on, release power button, then keep on pressing volume up. Right, then these options will come to your screen. So the next thing you need to do, use volume down to scroll all the way to factory reset, the last option down here, right. Then select this option by pressing volume up. Right, your phone will restart and factory reset process will start right away. So just give it time. So after hard reset process, your phone will restart. Yeah, and that's how hard reset neon ray. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.